Hello again, dear Envy members. This is Frank again from Team Envy, and today I will teach you how to properly install the basket exposure indicator for Forex Envy. This basket exposure indicator has not been developed by Forex Envy, but by an Envy user, a webmaster from the site we are currently showing on screen. We want to thank him for the time and for the effort on designing and building this amazing basket exposure indicator for free for all of the MB memberships. Well, first we will follow the same procedure when installing Forex Envy. We go to our local disk. We search for program files and search for the folder where our MetaTrader is running. Again, this one. Okay, we're back on the main Trade4 folder. Here, click on Experts, and in Experts we will open the folder Indicators. Okay, here on our desktop we have the basket exposure version 1.8 fe.ex4. This is the file you just download from our website. Just copy and paste it inside the indicators folder. There you go. We have now our basket exposure version 1.8 Forex Envy.ex4. We close our folder and we open our MetaTrader. I'm running 3 more pairs from our long cycle list of currency pairs: the Australian US dollar, Australian New Zealand dollar, and the New Zealand dollar US dollar. If we want to check on the basket exposure indicator, we will click on custom indicators. As you can see, it doesn't appear. So we must do what we did with MB. We will close our MetaTrader and open it again. We will restart our MetaTrader. And there it is. Between bears and bands, we find our basket exposure 1.8 FE. Okay. For loading the indicator, I recommend to open any chart that it's not related to MB. It can be any chart. I will do it with the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Click, right click, chart window. There it is. Now we will just change the color of the background and delete these vertical lines. There will be a little bit annoying when reading the data, so we'll right click properties, change the color scheme from green on black, and we click on common and we click on the show period separators. Okay, there you go. Now we will open our basket exposure 1.8. Okay, it hasn't loaded yet. It opens this window right here. We have to make some changes. We click on inputs. The first step we have to make is setting the deposit we made. For example, I started this account with $10,000. 10,000. Maybe your balance right now is $15,530, or I don't know, X number. You put whatever you have deposit on your balance right now. Okay. Next step, once we have set the deposit, right now we won't care about all these options. On the website you will find more information about it. Okay. Now as you can see, you have Magic 01, Magic 02, Magic 03, Magic 04. Here we have, next to this Magic 01, we have number 1, Magic 02, number 2, Magic 03, number 3. The Magic 01, it has given a value of 1, which is the same magic number the Euro US dollar has. The Magic 02 has given a value of 2, which is the same magic number the Great British Pound US dollar has. You maybe gave a value of 11 or 101 to the Euro US dollar, so here on Magic 01 you will have to put 11 or 101. It has to be related. So we will not change it, it is by default. The second step we have to make is changing colors. We'll give him a nice golden color. You can use this in case you are running the same mode in long and short cycles. You have obviously different magic numbers, and you want to differentiate them with colors. You can use yellow or gold or any color you would like for long cycles, and then for, I don't know, all the short cycles you're running, have another color. We'll have this in gold. We are only running long cycles, and we're running 6 numbers. Okay. Now we have our color set, our deposit set, our numbers are correctly set, and we'll click OK. And here we have. This is our basket exposure version 1.8 FE that gives us all the information, a wider perspective of what we have here on every chart. We can look at it here on our basket exposure. We have our balance, we have how our equity is moving, the margin we're using, our current level of drawdown. Whenever your account has more time, the ROI will be moving with it. You will have a clear idea of how much your account is growing, how much time. You will also be able to notice all the pairs you're running. We're running 6 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with the magic numbers right here. Every pair has only one level open, which means Envy has made only one trade. This is the profit that is making right now, and this is the potential profit each one of these pairs open baskets will make if they're closed right now. This is the basket age for each one of the pairs. On the today and previous, you will see all the the profit you're making every day and the day before, real-time information. So this is our basket exposure indicator developed by a fellow programmer. Again, we want to thank him for the time and his commitment to share his knowledge with all the Envy membership. Well, this is all for now. Happy trading!